Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to make this video for Nick over at Global Business Advisors. Nick has definitely come into our business and changed a lot of things. I changed, number one, how my appearance on LinkedIn appears, more of a sales page than it is a resume nowadays. Especially when you're looking to automate that front end sales and get generated leads. All the business professionals usually are on LinkedIn, and you can get tons of qualified leads from LinkedIn. And that's exactly what Nick has come into our business and done for us. He is, like I said, he's changed head to toe how my profile looks, how I go about those profiles, and really how I'm outreaching to these people and getting right to the point and driving those qualified leads, right? It's been very important to our business. It's been very important in how we grow and scale. And it's been really good to work with somebody who knows what they're doing and how they're doing it, and somebody who can also relate to where I've been at in business. That's the biggest thing as a marketing company. Getting leads can be kind of tricky sometimes. Most people don't trust marketing companies, but Nick understands that. He came in and he has tremendously helped our business and how we acquire new leads, get new leads, and really dominate a niche and become industry leaders ourselves within that niche. So thank you, Nick. I appreciate all that you've done for our business, and I look forward to continue to work with you.